Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C: and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *.* space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space C:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command. bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C: /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space C: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.